What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're embarking on an absolutely insane transformation. We've got this 2016 Dodge Charger RT, already a beast with its Hemi power, but we're taking it to a whole new level. The mission? Give it the full, aggressive SRT Hellcat widebody stance and a jaw-dropping custom paint job. Get ready, because this RT is about to become unrecognizable. Phase 1. Disassembly. To do this right, especially for a full color change and the widebody kit, everything needs to come off. Doors, bumpers, fenders, liners. It's meticulous work, but crucial for a seamless finish. This is the moment we've been waiting for. We're laying down this incredible white gold pearl. It's a complex color. A bright, clean white base with this stunning gold pearl that just dances in the light. Watch this transformation. Layers of base, pearl, and finally, that deep, glossy clear coat to protect it all and make it shine. Wow, just look at that finish. Out of the booth and looking incredible. Now, the careful process of putting it all back together. Every piece, now gleaming with that white gold pearl, is meticulously reinstalled. And here it is. The transformation is complete. From a stock white Charger RT to this absolute head turner. The Hellcat widebody conversion gives it that undeniable aggression. And that white gold pearl paint? It's simply breathtaking. Subtle in some light, exploding with gold shimmer in others. It's classy, yet incredibly impactful. What an incredible journey. This Charger RT now has the looks to match its muscle. That widebody stance and the unique white gold pearl paint make it a true one of a kind. Huge thanks to IGOCAR team for their amazing work. If you enjoyed this build, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. We'll catch you in the next one.